as if there's one trick I haven't tried until now.
Welcome back to the channel.
For years, I've tried pretty much every trick in the book. Writing on tape, ink printers, you name it, I've pretty much done it. In this video, I'm going to show you the one binder labeling trick I haven't tried. So let's get to it.
For the design, once you get the set boundary, you can pretty much do anything your heart desires. Just make sure it's printable. For this one, I rectangular arrayed lines and circles to add some creativity to the frame before adding the letters for the label. For it to print properly, everything needs to be connected, so adding another design, in this case a crisscross design, was a must in my opinion. Once you're happy with how it looks, select all faces you want, extrude, and make sure everything is bouilloned or joined together. Select and fillet the outer side so it slides nicely into the binder sleeve, and voila! It's time to print. I tried printing this design 3 times, but after striking out, I brought in my partner for help.
And here's how it turned out. And following the same steps I did for the front label, I made a quick design for the sides so you can tell which one is what when they're on the shelf. So what do you think? Would you use these binder labels? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.